The foods class is a highly enjoyed program at MCHS. Students have created many foods and have expanded their knowledge of food. With the high demand and students wanting to participate in the class, a new foods room was part of the CTS renovations. This new room has been a hit for the new school with such a brand new modern touch to the school. Students now enjoy the class in a more spacious area.
Things new in the foods room. Yeah, this is a brand new space. So everything in here is brand new, but
they made a lot of improvements from the prior years, and it's a lot more easy to cook in there. With
the equipment is fantastic in the foods room. It's top high-end equipment like Wolf ovens, a big pizza oven, convection oven. I think Mr. Sorta has an ice cream maker in there. Like, it's top notch.
We have a double deck pizza oven. We have an ice cream machine, a blast chiller, a standalone grilling station, and each individual workstation is equipped with a gas Wolf range oven.
Our students are working on cooking. Absolutely. We didn't have enough space in the old kitchen, so this one allows for more groups of students working on 10 different stations, so more can cook at a single time, which is fantastic. Opportunities
that students wouldn't have had. Obviously, the opportunity to work with some of the new equipment that wasn't available in the old food studies room, so that means playing around, experimenting, trying recipes that we haven't been able to do before because we haven't had the equipment to do them on.
With such a modern space, what do students love about the new foods room?
The knife rack makes it very easy.
I think students love trying their own food, right? Seeing what they can do and what they can come up with, and having the opportunity to sort of be creative that way.
With that, the new foods room is deemed to be a grand slam for the school and should attract lots of attention. The class will keep growing and become a hit for every class. For MCTV News, Matthias Kidd.